Hello everyone, I Neha Malik, faculty of DLED from Techno Institute of Teacher Education. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on characteristics of inclusive education. Inclusive education is a process of strengthening the capacity of education system to reach out of all learners. It involves restructuring the culture, policies and practices in school so that they can respond to the diversity of students in the locality. It aims at all stakeholders in the system, learner, community, teachers, administrators, policymakers to be comfortable with diversity and see it as challenge rather than a problem. Inclusive education implies the all learners, young people with or without disabilities, being able to learn together through access common preschool provisions, schools and community education settings with an appropriate network of support services. This is possible only in a flexible education system that assimilates the need of diverse range of learners and adapt itself to meet these needs. Now, we will discuss characteristics of inclusive education. Recognizing and accepting diversity. Recognition and acceptance of individual is of fundamental importance. Inclusive education, these differences are respected and educate measures for the education of such children are adopted. Second one is education for all in the school for all. Schools are meant of all children. Education for all means that any children regardless of his physical state or mental ability may take admission in any of the school of his or her choice. Number 3, education is fundamental right of all individuals. Individuals can have equal opportunity to get education. No one can be debarred to enjoy his or her right to equality to get education. Number 4, acceptance and support to children having special and personal educational needs. Inclusive education is meant for all, but mainly concerned to look into special needs of handicapped, disabled children. Their physical and intellectual conditions are accepted and supported optimum development of their potentials. Number 5, special education needs. As national school system responsibilities, the feature of inclusive education is that compulsory primary education is not only for disabled, but disabled and handicapped are responsibility of national school system. Number 6, teaching strategies and curriculum are flexible. Curriculum is adapted according to the needs of the disabled children, various teaching strategies and enhances children's experiences. Number 7, closer link between general and special education. Special classes assimilation into general education approach in such a way so that they become an inseparable part of that. A link between formal instruction of formal education can also observe in inclusive education. 8, teachers training and their role as supporting personnel for the acquisition of the new emerging technical skills. Provisions for peace service and in-service training for the teachers are made available. Teachers plays an important role continuously in interactive and sportive way. 9th, involvement of parents and community. For an ideal inclusive program, it is strongly believed that there must be involvement of parents and community in different aspects of school. Number 10, need-based instruction strategies. Up to what extent and which type of disabilities is present in the children instruction strategies should be chosen accordingly. Number 11, child-centered approach. In this, education has been given important place educating planning curriculum, teaching techniques, co-curricular activities at planned according to needs of children. 12th, strengthened general education system. In this system provides strength to general education system by including special education in general education. 13, diversity is not plight. They take diversity as a challenge and include these diversities such as a way so that each one get opportunity to learn from one another. So I hope you understand my topic, characteristics of inclusive education. Thank you very much.